So, this video is going to be about me reviewing actual real digital products from the beautiful YouTube community I have. Do you remember back in the day when YouTube videos weren't all fancy edits and all of these extra things, but actually just good old fashioned useful information? Well, that's exactly what this video is going to be. It's also an experiment to see if I can get away with not editing this video. Hmm. You let me know. All right. So if you don't know me, I'm Rochelle. I'm a six-figure digital product seller and mentor, and I help you start your own digital product businesses with the help of AI. Not usually live like this, but here we go. These are, like I say, real people from my YouTube community who have submitted their landing page, their digital product landing page for my review, my expert review. I am not going to do the Ed Lawrence, James Smith, if you know those people, you'll know what I mean, type of vibe where I roast your digital products. This is not a roast. This is just a review. This is me telling you what you need to do differently. Now, if you're watching this is not your product, don't run away, because do you know how much information you can take from seeing other people's products and seeing my feedback and seeing what you can implement for yourself? This is the information that you would get in big money coaching courses. This is the first digital product page. Now, it's a glow up guide. I'm seeing that it's being sold on PayHip. What I'm seeing is a very short description. This guide is for every girl ready to glow up inside and out, learn beauty tricks, confidence tricks, self love rituals, and how to become that girl. Start your glow up journey today. This appeals to me if I'm looking for a glow up, but I don't know how this guide is actually going to help me. Beauty tips, confidence tricks, self love rituals, these are very vague. And we need to be more hyper specific. Am I looking to find my beauty skincare routine? Am I looking for a makeup routine? Am I looking for affirmations? This feels way too broad for me. Like it could be anything. Confidence tricks could be anything. I also don't know anything about you. So unless you have really warmed up your audience through like a YouTube series or emails and they're super familiar with you, if I'm just finding this page through a Pinterest or through Instagram or something, there's nothing here to make me trust. There's nothing here to make me trust. And what you'll find is that a lot of people will say, oh, it's only $3. I don't need to give much information. People just buy it for $3. It's not about the price. People are much more likely to go and buy something for $27, $37 when they know exactly what they're going to get and they know exactly who they're going to buy it from. And so if you've really warmed up your customers so much that they know you inside out and they know what you stand for and they trust you, then maybe they could convert from this page. That's what we call warm traffic. But cold traffic, it's not converting. If I'm landing here through a Google search, I'm not converting. It just doesn't tell me enough. I want everybody watching this to know, never send your audience, never send your paid traffic, your organic traffic to a page like this. Always send them to the exact page. So if you wanted to sell the Power of Dark Femininity book, you would link them directly to this page. Now, this one is a little bit better. So you're tapping into pain points, tired of being played or ignored. This ebook teaches you how to protect your heart, set unbreakable boundaries, and rise stronger than ever. This is a little bit more specific, but how? Is it giving me tools? Is it giving me a checklist? Is it giving me affirmations? Is it giving me AI prompts? How? Okay. So it's not about more detail, it's about more specific detail. And what do I get if I don't get this ebook? Do you know what I mean? Sometimes it's like, if you don't follow this advice, you will continue to be overlooked. You will continue to not have your voice heard in rooms. That's the type of thing that people need to understand, because it gives them context on why they should buy this product. So you need to be more specific. You need to add more of your own credentials, even some social proof, something that's going to make me trust that this product actually works. Even though it's $3, it doesn't mean that you can forgo all of that. So do some work on adding more specificity and yeah, adding more about yourself. Why have you created this? What problem did you solve and how did you solve it? That's my feedback for becoming her. These are things that you could implement really quickly. Let's move on. This is going to be a quick video. I'm probably going to release these every 2 weeks. I'm going to try not to edit them, as I said, but my perfectionism sometimes gets the best of me. But we're moving on to the next one. Another one on PayHip. This PayHip looks popular for you guys. I'm not sure about it. It is very clean, but I don't think the setup really gives you enough like structure or space to hit all of the anatomy that you need for a high converting sales page, right? Which we'll talk about at the end. So you got to stay put if you want to know. So, faith in real life, grace, grit, God through a storm. Okay, Tamika, Denise is the next one. You also start off with a pain point, faith in real life, grace, grit. So, this whole line is a waste of space because you've got it up here. You don't need to repeat. The first line of your sales page, of your landing page, is the most important. So really use it wisely. For the woman that loves God but is tired of blah, 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 this delivers blah, blah, blah. Okay. So get rid of that. For the woman that loves God but is tired of being strong for her, tired of unanswered prayers, tired of pretending everything is okay. So that is okay. In this honest and healing ebook, Tamika Hobson speaks directly to your soul with the warmth of a big sister and wisdom of someone who's been through the fire. Okay, so this one is more specific than the last example. It tells me exactly what I'm getting, right? I'm getting 8 chapters. I'm getting a memoir basically from someone that has been through potential struggles that I have. If I'm their target audience, I'm thinking that. And how to keep your faith when you're struggling. This is better. It tells me exactly what I'm getting. It tells me the transformation. I think it could do a better job at the transformation. So by the end of this ebook, you would have learned. It only has to be 2 lines. This is probably the transformation, how to keep your faith when you are struggling, but I don't know if that's strong enough. I want to get even stronger in my faith. I want to get even stronger to God. I want to find coping strategies, right? So try to articulate the benefits of this in a more specific and powerful way. This is not a sugar-coated devotional. It's a bold reminder that your story isn't over and God is still in it. Like, that's quite nice. Again, this doesn't have any social proof. I don't know if it's any good. Nobody else has said that it's good. So I would have some reviews, some testimonials on here. Um, I would also have a bit more about myself as an author. You said someone who's been through the fire. What have you been through? I want to know that detail. Your fire might look different to mine. I want to know that detail. So again, there's a theme emerging. You need to create more of a story around your brand. It doesn't have to take up too much space. But that's why a page like this isn't necessarily optimized. You need to think of like, what's your bold promise? What are they going to get from this ebook or this product? Why should they actually buy it? Does it relate to them? Your next sentence should be calling out your audience, making it seem that as soon as they read that, they're like, yeah, that's for me. I'm struggling. Then what are the pain points? What are the pain points you're solving? Or what are the pain points that they're feeling? Again, it's all about resonating with your target audience. Then you go into the benefits and you tell them exactly what they've got, because that structure of this is what it's going to give you. This is me. This is the audience. I can see myself there. These are the pain points I'm going through. Yes, gosh, you understand me. These are the benefits of the product. Oh, this sounds good. Or give me more information. And then this is the full list of what's included: social proof, risk reversal. Like, what's the risk reversal? A lot of people don't give discounts or don't give refunds, sorry, on digital products. But what is your risk reversal? If you can give them that, if you can say, if you hate this within 14 days, get your money back, if you're able to. Or if you don't see a result, I will continue to work with you until you do. See if you can add in some sort of risk reversal that removes the risk of them buying this product and it not working. And that way you could charge way more than $4.99. You could charge way more than that if you implement those things that I mentioned. Okay, so the reflection guide, a guided hearts reflection guide, a healing companion for women ready to rise. Okay, I don't know what that means. That could be me, but I don't know. Am I ready to rise? What am I rising from? Okay, so like, just be as specific as you can. I think, everybody's using AI in their sales pages. I do as well, but sometimes it can be really fluffy. Like, be super specific. I think you do it afterwards. You say, my personal roadmap for healing after heartbreak, or your personal. This should be the first line. If I've been through heartbreak, straight away that's got my attention. Straight away I'm interested. Straight away that might be the transformation for me. Okay. Designed for women who are trying of just getting by. This dish offers. Okay. So is it for heartbreak? Tired of just getting by? This seems more make money online. Speak to me. How do these two things correlate? Hope you process pain. So yeah, I think like this is just really convoluted. I think you just need this bit. You just need this bit. And then after that, I, Denise, went through this. I used the strategies in this workbook, and now I look like this. Like now I've overcome the problem, and this is what it looks like. So that's what you're missing. What you'll get. Okay, so I'm getting a non-fillable PDF. Yeah, I mean it's not bad. Again, there's no social proof here. There's no, for me, evidence of why it's definitely going to work, either your story or somebody else's story. I mean, the price point is low, but again, it's not just about the price point, it's about how you position it. And you know how I feel about Standstore, but what I do like about Standstore is that it's got the checkout page on the same page. And that's actually an amazing thing because it's just one less step for somebody to actually go and buy your products. So, Kayla Nicole, great. Already I see a name. This is good. I'm buying from a person. Okay, so it's already starting to establish some sort of awareness. Welcome to Seven Figures Digital. Ready to turn digital product into seven-figure reality. That is a big claim. So I think you need to contextualize that. Why do you have the knowledge and the skills to get me to seven figures? What's your story? This looks like your main product, 10K on Etsy, action steps. Cool. You've got $10 there. Oh, 10K there. Okay, $9, fine. 6-page guide gives you. Okay, to scale from 0 to 10K a month. Another big claim for a $9 product is to just make sure you can substantiate that. What we don't want is to have people's expectations up here. They buy the product and it's not quite at their expectations. And that's when you just start to get and all of that kind of stuff. Okay, this is clear on letting me know what I've got. It's clear on letting me know what it is. If I'm struggling as an Etsy seller, you might want to add is it physical or digital product seller because they are quite different. Other than that, it's all about the expectations that you're setting with this product. And if you have the credentials to help people get to seven figures, you need to evidence that in this page. I'm not sure about Gumroad. I have tried it before. I like pages like this where you're not in the marketplace, but because it is a marketplace as well, I think this page would look so much better built out as a proper sales page for your own site. Okay. So you could use a platform like this lady is using, which is System. I can tell that. So let's move on to the next one. 12-week hair growth accelerator ebook. If you're tired of the, yes, okay. So now it's specific. I know exactly who that person is. And I think actually that should have gone at the top. You say finally ready to grow your natural hair. Okay. But I think this should have gone at the top. Like, I'm tired of breakage. I'm tired of my hair growing slow. Those things that people can look at straight away and say, that is me. Okay. So this is a really nicely laid out sales page. You've got the benefits. You did some pain points here, but I think you need a few more pain points. You've got the benefits, the what's included. This could have been a video, what's inside. Yeah. Your social proof is right at the bottom and it doesn't look genuine. So put your social proof higher at the top. And if you've got pictures, if you've got visuals, given that it's a hair product, I think that will go down so much nicer. But your structure's fine. Just adjust this so that this comes first. 12-week hair growth accelerator ebook doesn't really tell me much, right? Okay, so one more product. I love how different this is. This person sent me directly to the checkout page. So I don't mind being sent to a checkout page. It's better than going to a website homepage, but there isn't enough information about the product on this page for me to make a decision, even if I was in your target audience. Even if I wanted to start a home-based food tourism business, which is quite niche, obviously, I don't know if I do based on this page. I don't know who you are. I don't know what like credentials you have. I don't know what other people think about this course. I don't even know what type of course is it. How many videos am I getting? Is it an ebook? So I think they're just that it needs to be streamlined. I get why people streamline it, but you still need to include basic instructions so that people can buy. Because otherwise, it's like you're walking into a Tesco and them saying, well, we've got some meat behind the counter. And you're like, okay, what meat? Is it lamb? Is it chicken? Is it mince? Is it steak? Is it beef? Not sure. You need to be specific. People need to understand exactly what they're buying in order for them to feel comfortable. So I hope you have enjoyed my first digital product review. I want to keep them super simple, super helpful. If you want to have your own review, there's a link in the description bar below. Thank you guys. Take care. I hope you enjoyed the experiment. Bye.